कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
Today I have donated the blood for the first time. First I was a little scary. I was very scared to give, but then my colleagues, all members encouraged me and they motivated me to give the blood so that it can be used to save one life. So my message is to all the youths and all the people around to tell them to just give the blood because it can be used to save one life. Yes.
As you know that today it was blood donation drive held in Mopsa District Hospital. So what motivated me to blood was that I could realize the health benefits of donating blood and it could save many lives as well. So this motivated me to donate blood.
सो तुझ्या मनातल्यान आयज तुका दिसले की आयज तुवें ब्लड डोनेट करचें कशें कितें सांगू सुद्दां बाकीच्या युथाक जे भियातात फुडें सरनात ब्लड डोनेट करपाक.
आता बाकीच्या युथाक हांव हें सांगपाक सोदतां की as you know that blood donation for me it was my first time, but even though it was first time I was a bit scared from inside, but actually it's a very easy process to donate blood, and of course it pains a bit, but then it's good for our health as well, and it may save more lives. So this motivated me.
Yes, Dr. your good name?
Yeah, I'm Dr. Muralidharan. I'm doing a postgraduate in Department of Transfusion Medicine. Currently, I'm working as a doctor.
Today's blood donation camp was being held at Azilo District Hospital. What you would like to tell us about it?
Like today, I should thank the foundations like BW Foundations. They organized a good camp. Like so many donors come forward for the donations. We should be like very thankful for the donation. So for all the donations, they're not only a donors, they are like lifesavers. So each and every drop of blood from the donors is helping for at least 3 people. Each donor is helping at least 3 people. So each donor is like taking a blood, we are separating it into components like packed cells, patients and plasma. So actually helping for 3 patients. And also for this donors who is donating regularly, they are like more benefit for them also. There's a less chance of getting heart diseases, and there is chance of getting cancers also. This is the iron load also.
So, how would you motivate for the first time donors?
Initially they have some hesitation to donate. So there is no hesitation to donate. So the person who is like donating frequently, there are so many benefits. So whoever is like having the first time donors, they can come for the donation just to see it. Like, we'll counsel them and then we'll encourage them. So after the donation, they'll be like feeling up for some refreshment also. Like it is like better for them for their good health. So that is why it is better to come to it.
How healthy person has to be before coming for a donation?
So before coming for the donation, he or she should be like more than 18 years, and then they should have a proper breakfast. Like at least 4 hours before the donation, they should be having a proper breakfast. They should have a proper sleep also. They should be not having any illness like fever, cough or cold, like current illness. Like, they should not take any tablets or something. No alcohol consumption, no smoking consumptions. And then whoever is fit, we will be like examining them. Then we will take them for the donations.
Some people have that myth saying that if I donate blood, मेरे अंदर का ब्लड कम हो जाएगा या फिर या दैट
Many
myth.
are having the same myth also. So if they are donating the blood now, so the body itself will produce more like red cell protections. The bone marrow is there. It will like compensate for that. So that is why the frequency of donation for males it is 3 months. For female it is like 4 months. So every 3 months the male can donate. Every 4 months the female can donate. The body itself will compensate. They are taking only 350 ml of blood. So it will automatically it will like start producing the red cells. So there is no like nothing that we will lose the blood.
So today the camp was organized by the We Love You Foundation. Till now, how many donors have been come
So
here?
at least more than 50 donors they have come. They are like examining. Still the donation is like still going on. Still more people are like coming for the donations. Like, it is good to see like so many like donors are like comes and then they are donating.
Who are any first time donors?
So many first time donors, at least like more than 30 people now. They are like first time donors only. So we are like glad to like donate the blood.
Yes. How was the today's experience
Yeah,
towards
it's
it?
like very good. You have to ask the donors how is the experience.
Yes.
We love you. Okay? 1, 2, 3.